Welcome to Pharma Basic. In today's video, we are going to discuss about few biology questions which are important for various competitive exams. Let's start. First question is, what is the genetic material present in the living organism? Genetic material in living organism, it is DNA. Next question, what is the basic structural and functional unit of life? Basic structural and functional unit of life is cell. Option C. Next question, which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Option B. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Protein synthesis, it is in ribosome. Ribosome protein synthesis. Next one. Which part of the cell controls the cellular activities? Cellular activities, it is nucleus. Next question. Which organelle perform the photosynthesis in plants? Plant cells. Photosynthesis is chloroplast. Present in leaves. Cells without a true nucleus are called prokaryotic. If nucleus is there, it is eukaryotic. If nucleus is not there, it is prokaryotic. Option B. Movement of molecules from higher to lower concentration is called diffusion. Option B. The movement of water through the semi-permeable membrane is osmosis. When water is movement through a semi-permeable membrane, that is called osmosis. Transport against the concentration gradient using energy. When we used energy to transport, then it is active transport. If energy is not used, that is called passive transport. So active transport, option B. Process by which the plant prepare food is photosynthesis. Through the photosynthesis, plant prepare food. Option C. Green pigment responsible for photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Option B. Small pores on the leaves for gas exchange are called stomata. Option B. Loss of water vapor from the leaves. Loss of water vapor from the leaves is called transpiration. Option B. Tissue transporting water in plants. Tissue transporting water in plants, that is called xylem. Xylem transport water. Tissue transporting food in plants. Food transporting by phloem. Food phloem. Option B. Release of energy from the food. Release of energy from the food is called respiration. Respiration means release of energy from food. Energy currency of the cell. Energy currency of the cell is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is option B. Respiration in presence of oxygen is called, if it is in presence of oxygen, that is the aerobic respiration. If it is absence of oxygen, it is anaerobic respiration. Here, in presence of oxygen, so it is aerobic. Aerobic means presence of oxygens. Respiration without oxygen or absence of oxygen, it is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. So, option B. Biological catalysts are called. Biological catalyst means enzymes. Enzymes are act as a biological catalyst. Chemical messengers in the body are the hormones. Hormones are act as a messengers. Hormone regulating blood sugar level. The hormone regulating the blood sugar, that is insulin. Hormone secreted by the thyroid gland. Hormone secreted by the thyroid gland is thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is thyroxine. Option B. Structural unit of a nervous system. A structural unit of a nervous system is neuron. Option A. Here, axon. Axon, it is the part of the neuron. There is the long tail of the neuron, that is axon, and short one is the dendrite. Synapse is the gap between the neurons. Main controlling organ of body. The controlling organ of a body is brain. Brain control our whole body. Automatic response to stimulus. Automatic response means, if it is automatic response, it will be the reflex actions. Option B. Main excretory organ. Main excretory organ, it will be the kidney. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Alveoli, it is the functional unit of lung. Vilus, these are the present in the stomach, intestine. Main nitrogenous waste in the urine. In urine, what is present? Urea. So option B. Organ pumping blood. Heart pump blood. Option B. Blood vessels carrying blood away from the heart. Blood away from the heart, that means oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood carried by the arteries. That is oxygenated blood. Blood vessels carrying blood towards the heart. So deoxygenated blood, that means carbon dioxide carrying blood, it is carried by the veins. Option B. Fluid connective tissue means blood. Option B. Cells transporting oxygen. Cells transporting oxygen, that is RBC, red blood cell. Option B. Cell responsible for immunity. Immunity, that is white blood cells, WBC. Components responsible for clotting. Clotting, that is platelets. Platelets. Option B. Body's ability to resist disease. Body's ability to resist disease, that is called immunity. Option B. Protective proteins against antigens. Protective protein against antigens, that is antibody. Option A. Preparation providing immunity. Preparation that providing immunity is vaccine. Through the vaccine, we can provide immunity. Gradual change in an organism over generation. Over generation, that is evolution. Evolution happen over generation. Here, mutation. Mutation, it happens suddenly to one single person. Sudden changes in DNA, that is called mutation. And evolution, that is over generations, gradual changes. In mutation, happen to the one person only, but evolution, it produce the new species, a whole species. So here, option B. Survival of best adapted organism. Survival of best adapted organism is natural selection. Nature select the best survivors. That is called natural selections. So these are the few important questions for the various competitive exams. Thank you. See you in the next video.